making a couple of moves and
Retrieve the rear right wheel rim 61A from issue 61. Insert the rim 61A into the C3 rear right slick tire 63A. Insert the crossbar joints 64B into the ends of the 4-tire rack crossbars 64A. Retrieve the left 62A and right 62B sides of the tire rack from issue 62. Connect both parts with two of the tire rack crossbars 64A, inserting the joints 64B into the highlighted upper pivots. Connect the joints 64B of the two other tire rack crossbars 64A to the lower pivots on the left 62A and right 62B sides of the tire rack. Align the two holes in the rear right wheel inner rim ring 65B with the two screw posts on the rear right wheel rim cover 65A. Connect the parts with two 8 screws. Retrieve the right rear wheel from issue 63 and attach the wheel rim cover 65A to the rear right wheel rim 61A. Retrieve the rear right suspension assembly from issue 61. Place the rear right wheel rim 61A on the outer part of the hub 58B. Retrieve the rear right wheel nut 60B and rear right wheel axle 63B from issues 60 and 63, respectively. Place the rear right wheel nut 60B on the outer part of the hub 58B and screw the wheel axle 63B into the nut.